Basic English conversation for kids.
Hello, I'm your friend, Bobo. I'll help you practice English conversation. Please follow my directions. Thank you! Is he a teacher? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word. Teacher. Doctor. Nurse. Conversation. Is he a teacher?
Yes, he is.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Is she a doctor?
No, she isn't. She is a nurse.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Is he a teacher?
Yes, he is.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she is.
Is he a doctor?
Yes, he is.
Is she a doctor?
No, she isn't. She is a nurse.
Word quiz. Nurse. Teacher. Doctor. Conversation quiz. What did Max say? Is he a teacher? Is she a teacher?
Yes, he is.
What did Lily say? Is she a teacher?
Yes, he is. Yes, she is.
What did Lily say? Is she a doctor?
Yes, she is. No, she isn't. She is a nurse.
You did it! You are superstar!
Yay!
Goodbye!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun learning adventures. See you next time.